everybody, Captain JC Rage here again. It's a Sunday morning. Wala tayong lipad. It's my day off. And I got invited again to join a motorcycle ride. I think we're going to Bulacan. Hindi ko pa alam. Secret daw eh. Pero sabi nila maganda yung pupuntahan natin. And yan lang yung mga araw ko na pwedeng mag-relax. Kapag gusto mag-unwind, yan ang ginagawa ko. Mag-ride. Breakfast ride lang naman. Usually yan yung mga sinasamahan ko, yung breakfast ride. And usually sumasama ako dun sa DJDLS ride. If you don't know me, I'm Captain JC Rage. I'm an airline pilot by profession. And I'd like to share to you my life. Pag hindi nyo pa nakita yung mga ibang videos ko, andyan lahat yan. May mga playlist ako. Lahat layover. Merong mga flight vlogs. Makikita nyo yung sa mismong eroplano. And ngayon, naman tayo? Motovlog. So, let's go. Punta muna tayo dun sa may meet up kami sa may Mindanao Avenue. So, medyo malayo-layo pa. Bago kami mag-NLEX going to Bulacan. Let's go.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time.
Grabe talaga EDSA. Yung EDSA, yung sementadong kalsada na lubak-lubak. Eto pa. Wow, grabe. Para ako nagmo-motocross. Grabe lubak yan Ay, nako. Wag na lang. Let's stay out of politics. Lapit na. Nandiyan na lang. Konti na lang. Ilan yan? 180 meters. Alright, here we are. Bro. Good morning. Hello. Full tank? 95. Yes. Vogue 500cc. Saan tayo ngayon, Johnny? Sa bukid. Okay. Ngayon lang ako pupunta doon eh. Yo! DJDLS! Papultak muna natin si Sige, okay na yan. Okay guys, we're still waiting for the others to arrive. Kando, Z650 kay Andrew. Of course, ito yung sa atin. Ito, kay Johnny, Vogue 500. And, merong kambal dito. Yan, Rebel 1100. Ito pa. Grabe. Sana all. Dito Poch. Grabe, dami namin pala. R90, Ducati Monster, R90, Harley, ulala.
One for the resting, for the adjusting, one for the tired hands, one for the letdowns, all thanks to this old town, one for the shattered plans. You know the
Ayos guys, we are gearing up. Dami namin ngayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ang ganda ng Africa Twin. Grabe. Kay Kino to. Super ganda. Whew. I want one. Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko lahat. Wala lang akong pera. Let's go!
time has come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you drive.
Sige, sunod ako, Johnny. Dupak. Nahuli na ako. Okay, let's go. Sunod tayo sa kanila.
So we will stare at views we can't believe we found. We'll feel alive. You're still my favorite queen of the night. My friend, let's drive off again. Let's drive off again. Let us where we fall. Once know what's right. My friend, let's ride through the night. Let's ride through the night. We'll keep on going into the sun. We won't be slowing down all the night. You're still my favorite queen of the night. My friend, let's drive off again. Let's drive off again. You need a high throne where you can be adored. You'll get what you deserve. This town is no fun. Your life has just begun. We need to live and learn. You know the time has come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you drive. So we will stare at views we can't believe we found. We'll feel alive. You're still my favorite queen of the night. My friend, let's drive off again. Let's drive off again. Let us where we fall. Once know what's right. My friend, let's ride through the night. Let's ride through the night.
Yan. Talagang nasa bukid tayo.
Kaya kasama sir mga chicks ah.
Wala po, puro lalaki. Sa kabukiran. Yan, lalakarin natin. Doon tayo nagpark banda kanina. Andun yung mga motor namin banda. O, so yan, palayan. Nasa bukid. Almusal muna tayo. Pulong Kabyawan Natural Farm. So ito yung parang bahay nila. Medyo malaki yung place.
Inuhuli dito.
Breakfast.
Ilang masarap. Masarap yung longganisa pa. Kanina dito
Puro breakfast lang. Ano mga isda nyo?
tenderloin mo.
Puro breakfast lang.
Order na ng breakfast, guys. Napaka ano dito, napaka peaceful. Talagang literal nasa bukid. Yan, yung mamaya papakita ko sa inyo mga palayan yung nasa paligid natin. Coffee. Tikman natin yung coffee nila.
Pinos ko talaga, Brad. Silang dalawa niya.
Ayos, oh. Pwede, pwede.
Sige, sige. Sakto na yun. The strawberry.
Ang laki nung ano. Ang laki nung lechon kawali nila, guys.
Ito, mali tayo.
Yan yung longganisa. So mukhang mali yata yung na-order ko.
Madami na order mo.
Ito. Ay, yun, longganisa.
Oh, gusto mo palitan tayo?
Ang laki nung ano, lechon kawali.
Corned beef.
Corn beef.
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Uy, ano to? Corned beef hash. Wow, ganda ng ano.
Corn beef hash.
Yan. Yes. Balik kami ni Wami. Nasa kanya na yung longganisa, nasa akin na yung lechon kawali. Hehe.
Someone to rely, someone to rely, someone to rely, someone to rely. I won't get enough sleep. I won't get enough sleep till you're with
Meron talagang problema yung ano, traction control and ABS. Ayan, oh, meron talagang problema. And kahapon chinek ko yung code, meron talaga may problema yung sa traction control niya.